Okay, so today I guess I'm talking about stuff that involves what we learned in chapters 2 through 6 in UCertify, which involves computer hardware. We learned about all these different pieces, had some labs, I guess, about how to connect them all and kind of make it work. But if you can do that in actual practice, then those few chapters are all you really need to build your own computer. You know, something along the lines of that. I know it's a mess right now, but it doesn't need to look pretty to work. So, the most important piece I guess you need is this guy right here, a motherboard. Without that, you can't really plug any of the parts into it, and just kind of sitting there. You can't wire them together and make them work. Second most important piece, right here. I don't know if that's going to focus or not, but it's a processor. There we go, it focused a little bit. That's a little Intel processor, stick of RAM, hard drive, and, of course, graphics card if you plan on doing gaming or video rendering. If not, then you don't really need it. This one has an onboard graphics chip to do all that if you don't need anything else. But yeah, and, you know, a couple SATA cables, a power supply, which don't have an extra one of to show you, but it looks like this little square right down there. And then, when you put it all together, there's hard drive bays over here. CPU is underneath this big guy. This is my cooler. There's my GTX 1080. And yeah, that's pretty much all you need for a computer. RAM is in here. And then you just need a monitor. So, yeah. It's not too hard to build yourself your own computer. Very limited knowledge. I think that's about it.